Hi everyone, how are you doing? So winters are already here and I'm sure you all are looking for good products to keep your skin hydrated in this winter season. My name is Dipali and welcome to our YouTube channel Dam Creations. In today's video, I'll be giving a review of this particular product, which is Novology. This is a range which was recently launched by Hindustan Unilever. This product is Novology Skin Barrier Protect Cream. Well, the main ingredients in this particular cream are glycerin and hydroxystearic acid. Now, glycerin, as you all are aware, is a natural humectant. It means that it pulls or draws moisture from the nearby areas. Hence, it kind of hydrates your skin, attracting moisture from the air and the deeper layers of the skin. It also makes your skin soft and supple, and it acts as a barrier between your skin and the external environment, which is currently of cold air. The next main ingredient that is there is hydroxystearic acid, which is a plant-based product, and it again helps to hydrate your skin. It also reduces the skin pores. So in synergy, these ingredients work together and they provide a perfect skin barrier for your face, and keeping your face nourished and hydrated. Well, this product is a non-comedogenic cream. That means it doesn't clog your pores, so it is non-greasy, and it doesn't feel too heavy on your face after applying. The company claims that it protects or provides 24 hours of moisturization to your face. So let me show you this. How does this cream look like? Let me open this. So well, this comes in a pump bottle like this. You can see this one. This is a 50-gram packaging and it retails for 400 rupees. Now, how do you have to apply this? So first of all, make sure that you've washed your hair with a gentle cleanser or a face wash, and then you take a few pumps from this. I think for my skin, 2 pumps are good enough, and then you just apply on your face. So currently I'm applying on my palms and showing you. So just make sure that it absorbs well in your skin. And wow, my skin is already feeling quite soft and supple after just applying this. So this can be applied as a moisturizer, as I mentioned, after washing your face, or you can also use it as a makeup base before putting on your any kind of makeup. Well, I like the packaging and the cute little pump bottle. This is quite a sleek packaging. So I'm really impressed with the packaging. Now, comparing the price with other products, so my skin is generally quite sweaty. So if I apply any kind of moisturizers, I tend to sweat a lot. Hence, in summers, I really don't apply anything on my face. And since winters are here, I need to take, I need to apply a few products which keeps my skin hydrated. So generally, I alternate between a few products. Now this is the aloe vera gel from Patanjali, tried and tested, retails for 100 rupees. This is I think this is 150 ml for 100 rupees. Generally throughout the year, if I sometimes feel the need of applying any moisturizer on my face, I this is a gel which I apply. And also, since I swim, so after swimming, definitely these days I have to apply something on my face. So till now I've been applying this one, but now since winters are here, this is another product. This one is again an age-old product. I've been using this since my college days, or I think school days. This is Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. This has a thin consistency. Let me show you the consistency. So yeah, so as you can see, this is how the consistency of this product is. This is a little lighter as compared to Novology. And then comes one more product, which is Bioderma. So this is on a thicker side. Now as I said, I keep alternating between these products. So depending upon how my skin is feeling, how much of a moisturization do I need on that particular day, I decide which one I want to go for. Okay, so I've placed these products in order of hydration. This one can be used on a everyday basis when you don't need much of an hydration. This is very good when if you feel itchy at times on your skin. This is a very good product which soothes your skin. And even if you're waxing your face, after that also you can apply this aloe vera gel. This is excellent product. If you want a better, more hydration than this, then you can go for the tried and tested Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. It also contains glycerin, so you can go for this one. Again, this is water based, doesn't feel doesn't feel greasy on your skin. If you want better hydration as compared to this, then you would like to go for this particular product. Slightly on an expensive side, because it is 400 rupees for 50 gram, whereas this is 520 rupees for 200 ml. And when we talk about this particular product, I like this product because of its sleek packaging. It really fits well in our bags, easy to carry and easy, whenever you're traveling. It is quite light also. So this has this particular this particular pro. And if you want extreme hydration, then you can go for Bioderma. This product is manufactured in France, and this is imported from France and marketed in India by Nios Skincare India Private Limited. This retails for 700 rupees, and this is 200 ml. So this is again ultra hydrating, ultra nourishing moisturizing cream, and this is ideal for dry skin, dry and sensitive skin. Even this product can be used on sensitive skin. So this was a review of the Novology cream and a comparison with the other products that I use. So depending upon your skin requirement, depending upon the weather that you're around at that time, you can select any product that you want, and of course you can use your existing products as well. And if you want to try out, you can definitely try this one. So that's it in today's video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please share it in your network and subscribe to our channel, Damn Creations. Thank you and have a good day.